Welcome to Powerops Desktop, a single platform to seamlessly analyze, compare, and evaluate best practices for Power BI reports and models. To load a file in Powerops, you can add it by either using the Recent Files list or the Add a File option. The Recent Files option will show you the files that are either currently open or have been opened before in Power BI Desktop on this machine. Opening up any one of these, you'll select the file and then select the Connect option, which will then open up an instance of Power BI Desktop and open that file if it's not open already. And once the file is finished opening in Power BI Desktop, Powerops will scan the metadata for both the report and semantic model layer and then load up the summary page as you see in front of you here. Additionally, users have the option to come up to the Add File option here, which will once again load recent files over on the left as a selection option, but over on the right we have a new option to upload a file, which will give us two primary file types. Full report will allow us to upload three file formats between the traditional PBIX, a PBIP or project file, or a PBIT or template file. In addition to the full report, we also have a dataset file type, which will give us file format options to connect to a dataset folder, a traditional semantic model.bim file, or the more recently released TIMDL metadata format. I hope this video helps, and please visit powerops.app to learn more.